is Esley Murray, and I am the grants advisor under the UBEC project. The UBEC project stands for Unleashing the Blue Economy of the Caribbean.
But how do we unleash the blue economy? The only way for us to unleash the blue economy is to provide economic opportunities to businesses who operate within the blue economy space.
This program was designed to help MSMEs really enhance their capabilities, enhance their ability to operate within the fisheries, waste management, and tourism sectors.
This project, we're working under the guidance of the World Bank Environmental and Social Management Framework. Therefore, we are guided by things such as the Environmental and Social Management Plan and the Grievance Redress Mechanism for environmental compliance and social compliance.
With the UBEC project, we have a funding mechanism called the Marshall Grants Program. We're looking to provide grants to MSMEs who operate within the areas of marine tourism, waste management, and fisheries.
The team is specifically here to assist and guide MSMEs. As we go through this program, we want to enhance their capabilities, and there is a specific business development support program which will be there to assist MSMEs in really training them, enhancing their financial capacity, enhancing their technical capacities.
Within the 3 participating countries, we do hope to do some on-the-ground monitoring to ensure that companies, businesses, MSMEs, they are in compliance with all of the safeguards that apply to this project.
This component is segmented into 2 windows. In window 1, grantees can secure grants ranging from $5,000 to $25,000 US. In window 2, we try to foster the collaboration of MSMEs who can apply for grants ranging from $100,000 to $200,000 US.
If you're a part of this project, you will ensure that your business will be sustainable, not just financially, but environmentally and socially.
In terms of the benefits, what we're seeking to achieve with the Marshall Grants Program, we try to bolster employment and job opportunities in St. Lucia. We try to build resilience within the 3 sectors that were mentioned, and we also try to stimulate economic recovery post-COVID-19.
So we're looking forward to launching this in May.